What's up everyone? Today in this video I'll unbox and review a famous budget earphone, comes only in $5 and under 400 BDT. In country like Bangladesh, UiiSii HM-12 model earphone creating hype to everyone. And everyone goes for its cheap price, better sound quality and most of all 1 month official warranty. So guys, let's have a look, is it really worth for $5 or not? I'm UiiSii and I will take you all through this full earphone review. So without talking too much, let's get started. First time when I see the earphone pouch, I'm really very impressed with the design look of this pouch. Under $5 you will get an earphone with a good quality pouch, and most interesting part is it has 1 month official warranty under $5. And guys, it's really true, it has 1 month official warranty. Opening the pouch, first of all you will get an earphone itself. Then you will get a clip mount, a QR code sticker, and using this QR code sticker you can check the originality of this earphone. And then you will get an user manual. Who need an user manual with earphone? I didn't get it. Those are all the things you will get into this little pouch. Now here is our earphone. Let's have a closer look to it. Both of the earphone buds has glossy finish and has UiiSii branding on it back. Full body made with good quality plastic and has glossy finish. The design of the speaker was pretty decent, but I was little bit worried about the neck. You have to be very careful about the neck of this earphone while you are using it. It could be damaged easily. This earphone has 3.5mm audio jack, so you can easily use it with any phone which have 3.5mm standard audio port. The wire of this earphone has fully rubbery finish, and it will help you to easily straight the cable if you messed up the wire by keeping the earphone into your pocket. The wire was long enough and it can easily reach your ear from your pocket. Now let's talk about the controller. The build quality of the controller was not good. Personally, I didn't like it. It has a call receive button and a volume slider button on the controller. Now the most important part is sound quality. The sound quality was good enough. The high and mids was awesome. If you like high bass, then I will not suggest you this earphone, but it has the standard bass quality. Overall in $5, it was really very good earphone, I must say. So guys, that's all for today. If you want to buy this earphone from Bangladesh, then you can buy it from Bonik Gadget Facebook page or group. Check the link in description below. And for other country, you can search for it on different online shop or your local market. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the latest video notification. And guys, if you had already subscribed, then thank you so much. I'm UiiSii, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing out.